Hello. I will guide you how to boot a Lenovo laptop from a USB drive. There are two ways to do it. The first way, you use the F12 key. After connecting the bootable USB drive to the laptop, you turn on the power and press the F12 key continuously. A screen will appear with a list of boot options. There are many ways to boot the computer using the hard drive, via the network, optical drive. You just use the navigation key to your USB drive. This is a simple and quick way. But there is another way if the above method fails. You press the F2 key continuously to access the motherboard management page. On the management page, you have a lot of advanced configurations. Here you navigate to the list of laptop boot options. Next, you set the boot order. By default, the USB drive is not the #1 priority. So you use the plus or minus key to change the priority. You use the navigation key to your USB drive view. Then use the key combination as above to change the order in the list. After completing, save the changes. With either of the above methods, you will be able to boot your laptop from the USB drive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.